Hi, I'm Thea Cho, and today we're at the GSoft office. I'm a product marketing manager, and I've been working with the ShareGate brand for around 2 years now. So for me, taking time off and really disconnecting is super important. I love vacations. Asking for time off at GSoft, it's relatively easy in the sense that you just need to ask your manager. However, you do need to take into account your workload, and the earlier the better. That's always the case because you always have last-minute projects that might come into play. I went on vacation for 3 weeks. The first time I did that, 3 weeks in a row. I came back super refreshed because I was so relaxed to a point I didn't even know what day of the week we were, and I came back and ready to focus again. Ready to take on the new challenge because it is a fast-paced environment here. So taking time for yourself, whether it's going to the beach, whether it's doing other activities, you do you, and as long as you're productive and you do what needs to be done, we're good.